today we're going to build us some fender flares. We got some new tires. The dualies are looking tough, but they kind of stick out a bit, so I don't want to draw too much attention to myself, and she gets a little dirty. So we're going to build some fender flares, and this channel's all about doing more with less, so there's my fender flares. So check this out. All right, we've been working away here. I've got one side done. I welded the chain onto my fenders. My fenders are 1/4-inch plate. They are heavy, but this truck likes to have weight on top of the rear wheels. Not a bad deal. So yeah, I utilized what I had. It's all about doing more with less, and this is what I had, and this is what I got, and this is what I did. So yeah, I welded it all on there. It took me a little longer than I was expecting, but you're welding every single link of chain, so it's to be expected. So I had chain as a mud flap when I had single tires, which worked pretty good. It would just bounce off the tire. But now I had concerns about chain getting caught into the dualies. So I got my old school Roadrunner mud flaps out and put the mud flap. So now directly behind the truck should keep the rocks from bashing the hell out of all my trailers. And yeah, it looks pretty tough. I'll show you what I got on the other side. This side I've got to do next. That's what I had. So that worked just fine for the single tires, but you can see how the chain, it could get caught in there and it would just tear up the sidewalls. So I cut that off, and then I have to fill that little piece where the chain is, and then I grind all the edges. You can see the plate, it's like real steel. So I grind all that down so I got a good surface for welding, tack it all on with a MIG, and then go over top with the TIG welder and just weld. All right, took her for a spin. She works good, drives nice and smooth, more traction than she's ever had. Looks like the welds are nice and clean for now. I'm about to go out and get some wood out in the bush, so we're going to see how good these flares hold up and see how the tires do. I'll bring my winch with because there's more snow the farther west we go. So let's go for a drive. Getting wood, checking my cougar traps. Uh-oh, I think I got one. Anyways, we'll take care of that, and then we'll get the saw fired up. All right, we got her all bucked up. Got a load full of wood. Fender flares are doing what I wanted them to do, so I've got so many points of tying stuff up. So let's see if we can get this thing out of here. Field road, they got to keep it open. No way. My God, I want it. That looks tougher than that.